So if one of your New Year's resolutions is to get rid of credit card debt, you can start out by discarding it in this shredder. Well, hello, family, on this marvelous Monday. I'm claiming that Mondays are marvelous, y'all. Y'all work with me. That's what we need to do. We need to claim that Mondays are marvelous. Because today really has been a good day, I have to say. Yeah, it's been a good day. So what I want to do is I want to share with you the shredder that I have. As you can see, it's the Honeywell office and home paper shredder, 6-sheet capacity, so you can do 6 sheets at a time. So I'm going to be sharing a quick unboxing, and we're going to try it out also. So unboxing, haul, whatever you want to call it. We're going to do this, and I'm going to give you my review of it. So let's jump right in. Okay, so let's get going here, y'all. Let me put y'all where you can see me just a little bit better. And if you're wondering why I have a coat on in my class, it's because I'm cold. Say it louder for the people in the back. Say it louder for the people in the back. I'm cold. It's usually cold in the building, and we're all cold, but we get through it. We just put on a jacket. We remind the kids to bring jackets, and that's just the way it goes. So, yeah.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light.
So it even has a credit card slot. You see that? It even has a credit card slot. So if one of your New Year's resolutions is to get rid of credit card debt, you can start out by discarding it in this shredder. Slide this in a little bit. This is where I'm gonna plug it in at. Right here. There it goes. Okay. I'll plug it in. Okay, so let's see what it does. Okay, so in exceptional children's, of course, with special ed, you know, we often have documents that we need to get rid of. And so instead of me cutting them up in 50 million pieces with scissors, I needed to get another shredder, of course, because I did not want to have to go through that. So let's see what we can do with this. All right, so I'm gonna do, it says 6 sheets, but I'm gonna just try 2. Booyah! Yeah. Okay, got a couple more to try. Oh, guess I should kind of line them up, right? I didn't line that up too good, did I? Working pretty good. Okay, this time I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I got exactly 6 pages. So if it works with 6 pages, it should do pretty good. Okay, so I've got exactly 6 pages. Okay. Okay, it did it. Yes, it did it. Okay, so that's the Honeywell strip cut paper shredder. her. Thumbs up for me. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. 5-star, y'all. Go and get you one. It's nicer because mine was free, bought with some funding that our EC director was able to get for us. So this was even better. This makes it a lot better, doesn't it? Okay, so I'm gonna let you look. It does it in strips. Okay, so I've got it turned off, as you should always remember before you empty it. All right. I know it's not like your fingers are gonna get down in there, but still. All right, so there it is, there it is, there it is. There it is. It did its job. It definitely did its job. Definitely did its job. Definitely did its job. All right, so now I can go over here and dump it in the recycling bin. I don't have to worry about anything being, looked at. If they want now, if someone actually wants to sit there and try to put all those shreds together, power to them. But I don't think I would. I don't think anybody's gonna try that. All right, y'all, I am out of here. It is 4:50. I gotta get out of here. Halls are empty for the most part. Hope you enjoyed this review of the Honeywell 6-sheet strip shredder. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And as always, when no one else will, be your own cheerleader. Create your own sunshine. See you on the next upload. Bye.